Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about Podio. But before we get into that, I want to ask you a question. What is the one thing that all successful businesses have in common? I'll give you a hint. It's not money, it's not talent, and it's not luck. The answer is, they all have a system for managing their work. And that's where Podio comes in. Podio is a powerful work management platform that helps you to organize your projects, tasks, and teams. It's like a virtual office that you can take with you anywhere. What is Podio? Podio is a cloud-based work management platform that helps you to organize your projects, tasks, and teams. It's like a virtual office that you can take with you anywhere. How does Podio work? Podio works by creating a space for you to store all of your work-related information. This space is called a workspace. Within a workspace, you can create projects, tasks, and discussions. What are the benefits of using Podio? There are many benefits to using Podio, but here are a few of the most important. Increased productivity. Podio helps you to stay organized and focused so you can get more done in less time. Improved collaboration. Podio makes it easy to collaborate with your team members, no matter where they are in the world. Better decision-making. Podio gives you a single source of truth for all of your work-related information, so you can make better decisions about your projects. Enhanced customer satisfaction. Podio helps you to deliver projects on time and on budget, which leads to happier customers. Who uses Podio? Podio is used by a wide variety of businesses and organizations, including startups, small businesses, large enterprises, nonprofits, educational institutions. How can I get started with Podio? Podio offers a free 14-day trial so you can try it out before you commit to a paid subscription. In addition to the benefits I mentioned earlier, Podio also has a number of other features that make it a powerful tool for managing your work. Customizable workflows. You can create custom workflows to automate repetitive tasks and ensure that your work gets done on time. Advanced reporting. You can track your progress and performance with Podio's advanced reporting features. Integration with other tools. Podio integrates with a number of other popular tools, such as Google Drive, Dropbox, and Slack. What are some of the use cases for Podio? Podio can be used for a variety of purposes, but here are a few of the most common. Project management, task management, team collaboration, customer support, sales and marketing, content management. How can I learn more about Podio? There are a number of resources available to help you learn more about Podio, including the Podio website, the Podio blog, the Podio community, the Podio Academy. Podio is a powerful work management platform that can help you to get more done in less time. If you're looking for a way to improve your productivity and collaboration, I highly recommend giving Podio a try. In addition to the information I've shared in this video, I would also like to add that Podio is a very flexible platform that can be customized to meet the needs of any business or organization. For example, you can create custom fields, workflows, and reports to track the information that is most important to you. Podio is also a very affordable platform. There are a variety of pricing plans available to meet your budget. Overall, I believe that Podio is a great tool for any business or organization that wants to improve its productivity and collaboration. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.